Hello, my name is Karianne Blum, and here is a video of our Stirling engine. For this project, I designed the wheel using SolidWorks, and here is a drawing of the 3D model. To incorporate GDT for this model, I added tolerances to the center hole, which is a minimum of 0.12 millimeters, to incorporate for the rod. To manufacture this part, aluminum and a die casting process would be used. This process would incorporate two molds. The first mold would have extruded pieces for the inner parts of the wheel. The second mold would enclose the wheel within it. Once the mold is secure, molten metal will be poured into the mold and allowed to cool. Once it is cooled, it can be easily removed, and in an hour, this process will produce 10 parts. Here is an example of equipment that could be used for the die casting process, along with some of its parameters and specifications. The cost of this product would be $50,000 to $75,000. Here is the part chart for the wheel. Creating the mold and melting the metal are done in parallel. The rest of the procedures are done in series, which include pouring the metal into the mold, sealing the mold, allowing the metal to cool, removing the metal, and removing the excess material. Out of these procedures, creating the mold, melting the metal, and allowing the metal to cool take the longest time. Some of the environmental impacts for creating this part will include larger settling time for the aluminum because it has a low density, and emissions from manufacturing the part. The cost impact for this part has been analyzed for 1, 20, or 400 wheels. It is more efficient to create the wheels in bulk than one at a time. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed.